Sapulpa became a Main Street program in 1990. We're a community of a little over 20,000. I've been the director for Sapulpa Main Street for 13 years. It has made a huge difference in our community. I think the incentive program has been, at least for Sapulpa, has been huge. This is a way for us to kind of give back to the city for all the years of them helping us, but it also helps make our downtown better. We voted in a downtown master plan to do new streetscape in our downtown corridor. We figured that this would be a good opportunity for us to be able to help out with that project financially. We are helping out with the landscaping, some of the infrastructure, the irrigation system for the landscaping. We have learned over the past few years that doing the pink petunias downtown has really brought people to Sapulpa because we plant them in April and we don't take them out until October, and they are gorgeous. And so we wanted to make sure that that program came back again along with the other landscaping that has been added to the downtown. The walkability now is amazing. There's no parking on Dewey anymore. Everyone has to park on the side streets. It allows the traffic going through at only 15 miles an hour to see the businesses, see their store fronts, and people are getting out and walking. We didn't lose any businesses, and we gained 12 during the streetscape. The incentive program can jumpstart in a lot of different ways your community. Sometimes it just takes that one little project that gets everything going.